My name is Suraj Sharma, and today in this video I'm gonna take you how you can use Visual Studio for running your first Selenium C# automation code. Okay, so first of all, what you have to do, you have to open Google and look for download Visual Studio. On the top link, click on this one. So here you have got various versions of Visual Studio to work on. We will be focusing on this one, the community type. Okay, once you're done, you'll get .exe file in your machine. All right, so what you have to do, you have to come to that setup.exe file and launch it. So once you launch it, your installation will start. I already have Visual Studio in my machine, but for you it's going to take some time. So once you download your Visual Studio and you have the installation done, then you have to look for a few packages that you can include in your Visual Studio. So in my case, see this .NET desktop for development, it's already there and it is checked at the moment. So for you it will not be showing as checked. You have to check it and install this package. Once you are done with that, you can restart your system and then open Visual Studio. Okay, so when you're doing it for the very first time, you have this option to work on create a new project. You have to click on this one, and then at the top you have got this console app. But if you don't find that in here, you can search from the text field console app and look for something which has got C# there. Okay, just to go ahead and click on that one and go next. You can give your any project name like learning Selenium. Alright, and this option like place solution and project in the same directory, it is showing checked at the moment. So it is like when you work on any .NET project and once your project finishes, it gets you this solution file .sln file. So if you want to place that .sln file in the same folder of your project, you can check this one. Alright, once you're done, click on next, and this framework you have to choose .NET 8.0. This is the most stable one and it's for long-term support. And now create. Okay, so by default it would have you this program.cs file. So if you want to run this one, you just have to click on this learning Selenium. So we can see the output in here, hello world. Alright, and if you want to come out of this prompt, you can press any key. Okay, now I've come out. Now our purpose was we have to run our first Selenium C# automation code. So to work on Selenium, you will need to have some package like installed. Okay, so for downloading the package, what you have to do, click on this learning Selenium, right click, and then you've got this manage NuGet packages. Come on the browser section and look for Selenium. So you've got .WebDriver and .support. These two things you have to install. Okay, this is done. Now I'll go ahead with the Selenium.support. Okay, when you're done with this, you can expand dependencies folder and look for packages. So all those Selenium supports which you have downloaded, all those things you can see in here under packages folder. Okay, now let's try to run our first automation code. You want to invoke a browser, so for that I need to instantiate this Chrome driver. I'm just making a comment here, initialize Chrome driver. So for that what we can do, Chrome driver equals to new Chrome driver, and then you want to navigate to this Chrome browser. So for navigating we have got different navigate methods that you can use. So I can use driver dot navigate dot go to URL, and I can actually pass in the URL which I want to traverse to. So I am just passing here https google.com. So this will take you to google.com. Let's say I want to close the browser once you have done this navigation. So there are two ways you can close the browser. One is using driver.close, and then what we have is driver.quit. Okay, so the key difference between this driver.close and driver.quit is, so driver.close is like it's going to just close the current browser which is opened, and this quit, it's gonna close all the previously open browsers. Okay, so when you are done with this, next thing that you have to do is you have to make sure that the build is going fine. Okay, so come at the root of the folder, right click and build. So after doing this build, you can see this build 1 succeeded, right? So this means that our code is going fine. Now it's time to run the test. So you can see this navigation is taking place now, and then it like close the browser. Alright, so this is how it is. So if you have any questions, you can go ahead and comment. I will try to clarify if you have come across any doubts. Okay, so in my next lecture I am planning to start with basic C Sharp course. So I will walk you through all the topics which will be helping you in the Selenium C Sharp automation code. So yeah, if you like my video, please do like and subscribe. Thank you.